This is a 1916 Underwood 5 typewriter. It's been fully disassembled. Each part has been individually cleaned by hand, of which there are hundreds. On this one, I also changed out the key legends, so you have really beautiful black glass keys. Have new rubber on the platen, of course, new feed rollers, new rubber feet. I did not have the nickel parts replated, so you do have a little bit of pitting on this type guide here. But it looks pretty good overall. This is a line variable. It's kind of an interesting piece. I actually made a separate video of the insides of it. It's got drum brakes inside there, much like cars had on them. It's a nice example of precision engineering from over 100 years ago. I also made a new tab ruler insert, so the characters are nice and crisp. These are the individual tabs. If you ever take those apart, they have a spring-loaded ball bearing in them. It's really easy to lose. And fun to put back together, too. Once again, these have not been replated, so you will see a little bit of wear on them. But they look pretty good overall. The top roller is also new, so it looks nice and easy to read. If someone ever tells you that they've got a restored Underwood 5 typewriter and they did not take it apart like this, then they didn't really restore it. The only way to make it perform like new is to completely take it apart and clean each piece, which it does take a tremendous amount of time. This machine will probably have about 200 hours in it by the time I'm done with it, but it will be like a brand new Underwood 5. It's a 1916 model Underwood 5.